I want to have some clarification on these enclosed mobility scooters because that's what we do. We want to know what we're selling you, what the legalities are. We're not in for, wham bam, thank you ma'am, and have a nice day. We've got two pilot projects from Ontario Highway Traffic Act. The one is the low speed vehicles. It started June of 23 and it's ending in 2028. The other one is urban mobility vehicles. Same thing, MTO. We'll have the links. These say that you need a driver's license for these. But what a pilot project is an investigation. It is fact finding. And I think it's really great that the Ministry of Transportation is doing this because they're seeing these and they're seeing a need. Especially I love urban mobility because that's really what this is, urban mobility. Is it a mobility scooter? Is it a car? So anyways, the name's good. The point is that these are pilots, which means it is something that they're looking into, just like the emissions that they had a while ago, or what's another pilot we've had? Lots. But it doesn't mean that this is going to go into law in 2028 after they've done this project. They could just throw it out the door. They did it with Ebikes. They tried to pilot with that and they're like, no, it doesn't work. We're keeping it the way it is or whatever. So these do say that you need a driver's license. So the point is, can you legally drive these right now? Absolutely. Absolutely. It is a pilot project. You cannot be charged. This is not law. This is something that they're investigating. So where should you drive them? We still think that you should drive them on the side of the road. I personally think that they go into the e-bike category, but the same width. Sidewalks are for pedestrians. This is not a pedestrian unit. So that's the update. Links there. Thank you for watching.